Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can turn on your ping in Fortnite so that you can see how good your internet is and your overall network stats. So first of all, let's hop onto Fortnite and then we will have to go to the settings. So click escape or options on your controller and go onto this gear symbol right here. Then you want to go on this symbol right here and scroll down to the HUD options. Scroll down until you see this setting right here, net debug stats, right under latency debug stats. We don't need the latency debug stats, we only need the net debug stats in order to see our ping in Fortnite. So make sure you turn this on, hit apply and test, and now you can see in the top corner on the top left of my screen, you can see the ping that I have right now. So it's at around 5 right now. You can also see some other statistics right there. If your network starts acting up because you're uploading or downloading something, you'll see you have a bit of packet loss. Packet loss should always be around, or should be 0% if there's nothing wrong with your internet. And in order to get the best possible lowest ping, make sure you always have everything in the background on your computer off. So don't have any random websites open, don't have any applications open that you don't need at the moment, and that'll make your ping lower. And also try to avoid downloading or uploading something at the time you're playing. So try to do that after if you want to upload something or download something, because that will make your ping worse because your internet is needed more for that. If you like videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Then we can make more of those. If you have any questions or any videos you want to see in the future, just comment down below and we're happy to answer your questions, and I'm happy to make any videos you want to see in the future.